Hi Manisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. And this is your monthly for September 2014. Librans, this month we have 3 planets that are going to be getting activated. We have Venus that is going to be going direct in Virgo. We then have Mars that is transiting Sagittarius, and we wrap up the month with Pluto that is going direct towards the end of the month. We begin this month with Venus, that is your ruling planet, and she's going to be entering a part of your chart that has to do behind the scenes. It has to do with research. A lot of you are not going to be feeling too welcoming as far as socializing is concerned. A lot of you would be wanting to retreat and spend more time with yourself. I think a lot of time for not just introspection, but you're just going to be liking your company a lot, Librans. You are just going to be also in quite a shy introvert space as we begin the month. You could also come across as somebody who's just not interested in any social gathering, any get-togethers, any form of a socializing. You could just feel quite detached from it. This aspect also, whenever Venus transits this aspect of your chart, it also indicates that things can begin in secret. Maybe there could be a project that you want to work on by yourself, and you don't want to, you're not ready as yet to be sharing with your friends or what it is, or divulge the details. It also implies that there could be a relationship which could begin in secret. And normally relationships which are begun in secret, they don't do much good to anyone. So watch out. During the hibernation phase, you could also be meeting with people who are behind the scenes. People, say you have your doctors, counselors, could be drug counselors. It could have to do with prisons. In week 2, we have Mars that is transiting Sagittarius, and Mars is entering a part of your chart that has to do with higher mind. It has to do with learning. It has to do with knowledge. I think a lot of you are going to be quite in a seeking mode. There is a lot of digging beneath the surface that is going to get done as far as knowledge is concerned. You're no longer going to be satisfied with just with the superficial answers that are given to you, Librans. A lot of you are going to be in a space where you would like to exchange ideas, which is a good thing, because I think as we begin the month, it is, more a space of hibernation of sorts, where you are in the first 10 days, and in week 2 you seem to be more in a chatty mood, and it seems that you have sort of put your thoughts together, and you have internalized a lot what it is that you want to do, and in week 2 you're ready to sort of share the ideas, debate, discuss, be among people, have stimulating conversations. And necessarily it may not be again socializing, but it has to do with just expansion of your mind, of sharing of ideas. And you're going to be pretty articulate as well, articulate at this point of time, and your mind is going to be quite active. You can expect, Librans, around the second week to be taking some short travels. It could be either by bus or train, or you could be flying somewhere quickly. So some amount of small short travel is indicated for you as well. Now try not to take too much on your plate, Librans. It could just scatter your energies, and try and stay focused. You could sort of lose the plot in trying to do too many things. So keep that in mind in September. While you will feel inspired, and you will feel energetic, and you will have that, Mars is going to be giving you that determination to be taking your ideas through, but ensure that there is not too many things that you want to do at the same time. Just try and sort of be selective as far as what it is that you want to do ahead. Towards the end of the month, that is the 22nd, we have Pluto that is going direct. Now, Pluto is a planet of transformation, and Pluto is a planet of truth. And the Plutonian energy is such that it brings everything on the surface, and whether you like it or not. Unlike the way that Saturn operates, which Saturn keeps making you go back to the blackboard and redoing stuff, and it's generally quite looked upon as quite a taskmaster of a planet. But Pluto works really in extremes. So if things have been working for you, they'll really blossom, and things, if they have not been working for you, there are chances that they'll just absolutely fall apart. For you, this is happening in a part of your chart that has to do with your home, Librans. There could be some change of location, some change of house, residence, where it is that you're living right now. And you're not going to be having much of a say, Libran. I don't think a lot of you are going to be liking the change. But again, this is for Libra rising and for Libra ascendant both. This could indicate that you are not too keen to leave your current space, but with the Pluto going direct, it could be that you have to make that change, or you will be required to make that change. Also, every time that the Plutonian energy comes in force, it's best to sort of go along with it and make the best of what it is that you can, Librans. You really won't have much of a say. If you could also experience some issues with your family. I think if there have been ongoing tussles and arguments with your family, some of you could finally take a decision to move out or to break ties for some time. For some of you, you could actually transform the energy or the situation. So these are two things that you can do with the Plutonian. Either you can get transformed or you can transform. So I think it is an opportunity, Librans. Look at it as an opportunity to make things really, really work. And especially this has to do with your home sector. And try and make, if things have been rough in the past couple of months, years, weeks, try and smooth things out. Try and talk things out and ensure that everything is sort of done and dusted, and you don't have to visit it. Some of you Librans, this may also speak about some childhood influences. Maybe there is a certain memory or shock or an ugly experience that has stayed with you, and that has, scarred you so much that it enables you to move ahead as far as your closest relationships are concerned. And or it could be that you could be having a parent who is so possessive or so protective of you that he or she has shielded you from the world at large, and you're not able to sort of cope or deal with the realities of how life is. Make good use of the Plutonian energy. See that you are able to let go. Try and work on the issues that are there since childhood. You need to understand and that what has happened, you really can't do much about the past now, Librans. Not much can be undone. So make peace with it and move on. An interesting month for you, Librans. We are beginning with a lot of behind the scenes activities, a lot of introspection, hibernation mode, and then you begin into a very busy, mentally stimulating phase. Just ensure that you do not scatter your energies by doing multiple things at the same time. And we wrap up the month with you either wanting to transform or to transform the situation that you have. There are only two ways that you can do it, Librans. Have a great September. I'll see you again in October, and thank you so much for watching.